I want to close my account. I want to close my account. Take it easy. Take it easy. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. How's the weather in New York? How's the weather in New York? How have you been recently? How have you been recently? Leave me alone, please. Leave me alone, please. Can I have your phone number? Can I have your phone number? What's the weather like today? What's the weather like today? Turn off the light. Turn off the light. What else do you want? What else do you want? Do you have a minute? Do you have a minute? Why is it so hot? Why is it so hot? I've come to say goodbye. I've come to say goodbye. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am a football fan. I am a football fan. Your dad is quite funny. Your dad is quite funny. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? I would like to eat sushi. I would like to eat sushi. I hope it won't happen again. I hope it won't happen again. You left your lights on. You left your lights on. I can't attend the meeting. I can't attend the meeting. I hope you feel better soon. I hope you feel better soon. I will leave in an hour. I will leave in an hour. Physics is my favorite subject. Physics is my favorite subject. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Please do it quickly. Please do it quickly. I have no money to buy the dictionary. I have no money to buy the dictionary. He writes books. He writes books. Due to bad weather, the plane was late. Due to bad weather, the plane was late. When did you see them first? When did you see them first? What does she have? What does she have? How do you know? How do you know? I listen to the radio every night. I listen to the radio every night. Get ready to go out. Get ready to go out. Pay a bill. Pay a bill. My sister takes piano lessons twice a week. My sister takes piano lessons twice a week. We had a good time. We had a good time.
Thank you for inviting me. Thank you for inviting me.
What will you be having? What will you be having? Don't take it personally. Don't take it personally. Donate food to charity. Donate food to charity. What are you worried about? What are you worried about? Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry? The milk tastes sour. The milk tastes sour. I'm having a good day. I'm having a good day. Good movies broaden your horizons. Good movies broaden your horizons. Send the parcel to Germany. Send the parcel to Germany. Take it easy when exercising. Take it easy when exercising. Have you got any plans? Have you got any plans? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. What are you thinking about? What are you thinking about? My joints ache. My joints ache. Who's your teacher? Who's your teacher? I wish I had a car. I wish I had a car. May I have this book? May I have this book? I play video games. I play video games. He cheated on the biology exam. He cheated on the biology exam. Everything will be all right. Everything will be all right. Order a delivery. Order a delivery. Have one slice of toast. Have one slice of toast. What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't make such careless mistakes. Don't make such careless mistakes. I went for a walk in the park. I went for a walk in the park. Do you mind if I sit here? Do you mind if I sit here? Did you telephone him? Did you telephone him? Your dog always barks at me. Your dog always barks at me. No news is good news. No news is good news. Give me a break, please. Give me a break, please. Do you know how to play chess? Do you know how to play chess? Bring in the laundry. Bring in the laundry. Fill out the form. Fill out the form. I received your letter. I received your letter. May I help you? May I help you? The door is open now. The door is open now. Enter data into the computer. Enter data into the computer. May I use your phone? May I use your phone?